Welcome to 2-minute short and crisp algo trade training from MarketSecrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description section of this video to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to play around the placing order API, and we are also going to learn about other attributes that you can pass when you place orders through your scripts, and how to place a normal order and an MAS order. So with that note, let's jump into today's session. So there are two types of orders. That is normal order, which is like cash and carry. So if you want to buy idea stock for a long time, you can place an order, and once it is executed, you'll just carry forward that position. That is normal order. There is also another type of order which is called MIS order. Okay, so I'm going to change this to MIS. Okay. Now, the script, whatever we have, it's a continuation from last episode. So if you are someone new, please refer the earlier videos. Okay. So we have placed the exact same script in the last episode to place a normal order for idea. So in that same script, I'm changing that order type from N to MIS, that is normal to MIS, which is the intraday order. So, let's run it and see how that works. So it looks like we cannot place an MIS order for this particular script, that is idea. So we need to change our script. So let's take some other stock. Okay. So instead of idea, I'm going to use SBI. Okay. So SBIN, that is a symbol name, and 1900 is the instrument token for SBI. So I'm going to use SBI to place an intraday order. Okay. So it can be an intraday order. It can be a buy transaction. Quantity is 1. And I'm going to give the price as 510 or something. Okay, so it's currently trading around 550. So let's run it again and see how it works. Okay. So yeah, looks like the script got executed, and the order was placed. So let's go back to the terminal and check what had happened. So let's jump back to the terminal. So I'm giving SBA as the order type. So if you look at here, right, so SBI order was placed, open quantity. It's an MIS order. So that is the actual difference. Okay. So it's an MIS order. It's a buy transaction for 510 rupees and quantity is 1. So coming back to the script, there are a few other parameters that you need to learn about. So first one is disclosed quantity. So while placing order, right, you may place order for quantity 1, but when the order goes to the exchange, right, how much it should show there. Okay. So if you want to, instead of 1 share, you want to display 100 shares there, you can do that with this disclosed quantity, but I don't generally use it. I'll generally pass it as 0. And if it's a stop loss order, right, you generally have to place a trigger price as well. So since this is a normal order, I'm not going to use this trigger price. I use the tag. So by default it takes it as string, and you can even place the validity for the order. So we generally pass it as a GFT, that is good for the day. So this order is valid throughout the day, and a variety of the order. So it should be regular. Okay, regular. Okay, so these are all some constants. You don't have to play around with these unless you are really experimental. The last 3 values are more like a constant. It would never change, but if you want to play around it, it's up to you. Okay, so with this you can again hit run and see whether it's working fine. Yeah, it got executed. So another order for SBA should have now been placed. So let me change this to normal order and let me hit run again. So there's a third order that we are placing on SBA. So yeah, it's executed as well. So I'm back at the terminal, and if you see, right, so 3 orders are placed, 2 MIS orders for the quantity 1 and order price 510, and 1 normal order for the same price and quantity 1. So this is how you need to place different types of orders and use the different attributes that we have in the order API. And with that, we have come to the end of today's episode. If you like this episode, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you.